Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 62. We're continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we take a ride on one of the historic F-line trams, traveling from Fisherman's Wharf back along the Embarcadero towards the ferry building. We begin at the turnarounds near Jones Street, where the F-Market and Wharves line has its northern terminal. Here brightly painted streetcars wait for boarding. Each tram is historic, restored to working condition and painted in the livery of the city it once served. Some come from Philadelphia, others from Milan, Boston, or even as far away as Melbourne in Australia. The idea behind the F-Line, which began service in the mid-1990s, was to preserve these classic cars as a rolling museum while keeping them in daily use. As the tram sets off, the ride immediately feels different from modern buses. The steel wheels clatter on the rails, the overhead trolley poles spark occasionally on the wires, and the wooden interiors echo with the sound of passengers climbing on board. This is transit history in motion, not just a static display, but a living system carrying thousands of riders every day. Heading east along the Embarcadero, we pass familiar sights. On our left, the piers stretch out into the bay. Pier 39 with its chops and sea lines, Pier 33 with its ferries to Alcatraz, and Pier 27 with the cruise ship terminal. To our right rises Telegraph Hill, with Coit Tower keeping watch over the waterfront. Each landmark reminds us how this corridor has evolved from a shipping hub to cultural and recreation boulevard. The tram line itself traces a path of continuity. In the early 20th century, San Francisco was a true streetcar city, with more than 50 lines reaching into every neighborhood. By the 1950s, most of those rails had been removed, replaced by buses and cars. The creation of the F-Line revived part of that lost network, returning rails and historic trams to Market Street and later extending them up to Fisherman's Wharf in 2000. As we continue towards the ferry building, the skyline of downtown San Francisco comes back into view. The clock tower at the foot of Market Street, once the first sight for ferry passengers arriving in the city, once again greets us as we roll to the end of the line.
You know, you see the paper on the side of my lunch bag? Take that. Yeah.
It's sticking right up.
Before I forget. Don't forget it.
No, I won't. I gotta write the card number. Oh, you write it? No,
Yeah.
I'll put it.
Yeah, I did.
And you're coming back one day?
Tomorrow? One extra day next week, yeah.
Oh, okay, next week, you said.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I don't think they want me to do it on Saturday. I wouldn't mind.
I'm not here Saturday.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I hear you. Well, I might be at...
That concludes today's journey, a ride on the historic F-Line, from Fisherman's Wharf along the Embarcadero to the ferry building, a moving reminder of the city's streetcar heritage and its enduring link to the bay.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.